I'm Angelique. I'm going to give you a tour of my studio in the River Arts District, Asheville, North Carolina. Curve Studios, it's 5 River Arts Place, and yeah, this is where I work and sell most of my wares. So, this is my work table. It's huge. It's where I do all of my hand building. It's how I start most of my pieces. Although I do have a wheel, I spend very little time throwing. I do prefer to throw standing up, which is better for your back. These are pieces that are drying, that are ready to go in the kiln, hopefully sometime this week. And slab roller, which I don't think I could live without. And these are all of the molds that I've made. So this is how I start my work. I roll out a slab on the slab roller, and then I place it over a mold and add a foot and flip it over, and then either subtract a pattern or add a coil to build the walls up higher, and then subtract the pattern with a template. And then once it's fired and glazed, oh, I guess I could show you the glazing station. So these are all of my glazes. I mainly use underglazes, and I layer 5 colors on top of each other. And then once it dries completely, I wash it off under running water. These are actually pieces that are finished, that are ready to be glazed. These are a couple of vases that are partially glazed, and today they'll get washed off. And then when they dry, I'll buff them, add an underglaze pencil, and then put them in the kiln. So our kilns are way back in that corner, and this is where all of our finished work is. So when it's finished, it either gets shipped out or comes straight onto the retail side of things. These are all what I call orange or tangelo. So there's 5 colors. There's pink, there's orange, there's a 2 different colors of green, and then there's like blue-green dots. And so the water really makes it kind of organic in nature, where sometimes more of the color of the clay shows, which is white. I use a white earthenware from High Water. Succulents really love this space with all the natural light. And then this is a rack that I put, these 2 colors show really well together. So it's seagrass and orange. It's a big cake plate, which is always fun. Serving platters, bowls. These are a new line. They're itty bitty scallops. They've been a lot of fun. And another planter. And this is color that I call seagrass. Oh no, shadow. Shadow. Seagrass was over there. Shadow. I can't start this video over just because I missed the name. Another succulent. It's a Christmas cactus. It'll bloom purple, which will be really fun. Big platter. Scallops. This is a gravy boat, which is really fun. Comes with the plate. And this window is why all the succulents love this space, so it's really lovely. Serving piece. Yes, more of a statement piece. That's the seagrass. And then this color I call turquoise. And it's got a little bit of a gold mustard accent. The light's making it kind of hard to see the colors. This is what I call the sail collection, so they're kind of boat inspired. These fun ledges with little cut tacks. And then this is where I put all of my glasses and bowls and plates, things that stack nicely. All right, I hope you enjoyed it.